Good morning. We have with us today Iman from Indonesia, the founder of Ritase. Iman is part of the Highway to 100 Unicorns program, and we are very proud to have you as a part of the EmergeX winners from Indonesia. Iman, tell us more about Ritase. What does Ritase mean and why you started Ritase?
Okay, we built the company in 2018. At 2017, we start the minimum viable product since 2017. So we launched this to the market and we got a new account in 2018. But the company itself, we start in 2019 where we just got the first investment coming from one of the biggest VC in Southeast Asia. So Ritase itself, we help all the stakeholder of the trucking, which is a shipper as well as a trucking partner, to connect with the Ritase ecosystems. Because what we built here, we are not only built the cargo matching or the marketplace, but we are mostly develop a transport sourcing services, or we call our software as a service that can help the marketplace to get more better visibility and get more better in terms of the utilization for every trucking that connected through the platform.
That's amazing, Iman. What do you believe is the market, and how much of the market have you captured? Some of the numbers I see is already quite impressive. But just how many clients do you have today? How many trucks are you monitoring, and what do you see as the opportunity for Ritase?
Correct. Basically, the logistic market in Indonesia is 62 billion US dollar. Because the market is very, very huge in terms of the transaction value. So currently we connect, as you know, that our business model is not only a cargo matching, or we can call a marketplace. We drive this industry through our technology, where our customer, I can mention the name, for example, Nestle in Indonesia, they connect with our platform where they can enjoy to use all the features where we provide them a full stack technology to connect with the external parties, or we call a third party, because our customer most likely is a big corporations. For example, like Nestle, they're using the ERP system. Most of them they're using SAP, but there's very limitation. There's a limitation for them to connect with the external party. So by using our platform, they can enjoy to connect. They can enjoy to use all the features like lot optimizations, like route planning, instant proof of delivery, and many more.
Wow, that's very, very interesting to hear that
Yeah.
Nestle is one of your customers in Indonesia. What do you see the opportunity for taking Ritase outside of Indonesia into other APAC countries or potentially globally? Because SAP is global, Nestle is global, and so what do you see as the opportunity for Ritase?
The opportunity for Ritase, I think at the end of the day, it's not only about the land trucking. Okay, the opportunities later, it go also to we call the inbound logistics, containerized movement, and also we can connect also with external parties. For example, like a custom clearance, for example, like a terminal container, to connect all this, we can call the MTT, to releasing all the process from the port up to end destination in the digital way. That is one of the opportunities where I can see that Ritase will help the industry. For ecosystems, we're combining within the technology, the marketplace, which is the trucking, as well as the financing. Currently, we already with almost around 7 up to 8 financial institution, for example, like a Citibank. They also provide the technology to use this technology embed with all the ecosystems that we built here in the Ritase. So can you imagine if you want to import the container or you want to export the container, You just log into our platform. They can you tracing all the container from the origin up to the destination. Because we have a domestic distribution expertise, which is a marketplace, we also have expertise in the export and import clearance. Indonesia is archipelago, one of our second challenge. The third challenge to the outer island. How we transmit, because we have a 17,000 island here in Indonesia, how you transmit all this product from one island to another island. We call it intermoda. So Ritase will become like a source platform that can connect with the all stakeholder here in Indonesia. Is the custom clearance scan, karantina, BP POM or FDA, terminal operator, government bodies, and shipper, trucking company can connect it through this platform.
Wow, so really your universe is quite big within Indonesia. So Iman, really what I was trying to understand is that you had Nestle as a global client. SAP is of course globally a global ERP system. What do you see the potential for Ritas being used globally? Because this is not trucking and tracking of the logistics is really a global requirement. So what do you believe is that opportunity?
Right. So since we have a global account here, you name it, for example, like Nestle, for example, they also can connect us with their other office in other region in the Southeast Asia. We want to expand into Malaysia, we want to expand into Thailand, because we have we can anchor customer here in Indonesia where we can build the similar platform in other region in the Southeast Asia. But that is from the small picture. The big picture is if you connect with our ecosystem in the Southeast Asia region, for example, you are a new customer, you can get the full visibility of supply chains. For example, Gap, GC, all name it, the big retail in US. If you want to go to Southeast Asia, if you want to see how the logistics movement in Southeast Asia, our planning is we want to become number one in the Southeast Asia to connect within the whole industry, from the retail, FMCG, fashion, all the logistic you can connect through our platform. That is the goal here. We start with the Indonesia, which is the largest population in Southeast Asia. If we can crack this industry in Indonesia, I believe it's very easy for us to go overseas, to go globally.
Great. Iman, this is very, very exciting. I think you've really are creating a platform that is not just the market is very large just in Indonesia. $62 billion is a very large industry, but I also know that you will be going global, and I know Ritas is going to scale to great heights. Congratulations and thank you, and we are very, very happy to have you as part of the EmergeX program. Cheers.
Thank you very much.
Thanks.
Cheers.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.